Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be playing Airplane Story. I just found it. I saw story for you guys. And I just got on that. And this is what I'm going to be playing today. F8. What does this have to do? I said 8. B8. What do you mean F8? You mean this is my seat? I get to sit in it. Can I sit in a different one? Like this? Hello everyone. This is your captain speaking. I can only sit in mine. Welcome aboard flight 6269. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving. Feel free to explore the airplane. Ew. At least I know where my seat is. It's right there. Restroom. It's red. What does that mean? I can't go in it? Ew, what's back here? Green and green. Then why can't I open it? Now, please find your seats, as we are about to cross an area of high turbulence. I know where my seat is. It's like here. Yes, F. I have a feeling that guy's gonna die. It's just gonna be me. Oh my gosh. Well, I have a feeling he's almost dead. Look at his health. Thank you for your cooperation. It's only 2 people and he's already almost dead. Get ready as the crew prepares a snack for everybody. Yay, snacky. But we just got on the plane. Don't they usually wait? Hello, everyone. We are the crew members and we will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy. Sandwich. Why do I already have the sandwich? They haven't even passed me. I already have the sandwich. Why? This game makes no sense. Dot, dot, dot. I'm not feeling very well. Oh no, what happened? Wait, this sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic. No, I'm not. I don't like mayo, but I'm not allergic to mayo. Quickly, we need to find a Hypixel 4-wheels baggage for medicine. Look in the baggage storages above you. I can't. Am I gonna die? Oof. Nah, nothing there. Oh yeah. Nothing. Nothing. Come on. What? Phew. Get it. Get it. I found it! Yay! I don't die. That's it. Phew, that was a close one. I almost died. From mayo. How do I die from mayo? That makes no sense. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you we've reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Okay. I'm taking a nap. Good night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go. Okay. Stretching my legs. Wait, what's the other passenger? I'm guessing he died. What happened? It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. I don't want to. Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? Dot, dot, dot. Oh, no. I don't see anything on the right wing. Oh, my. You will not survive. Are those snakes? I'm not scared of snakes. I'm wrestling at them. What do I do? What are they? They're not here. Is the game glitched or something? There's no snakes. I can just stand here. Open restroom. Yay. Easy. Quickly, guys, there is an open restroom. Quickly, we'll be safer than that. Safer now. It's only me. How am I saying that? It's only me. I'm the only one saying anything. The other guy must have left. I can just crucifix the snake with my crucifix from doors on my shoulder. Yay! That was scary. No, it was not. There wasn't even snakes. We should discuss what the heck is happening. There wasn't even snakes. How is that scary? Do I go out? I can't go out. Oh no. Am I stuck in here? Oh, phew. I thought I was stuck in there. Now I go back to my seat. Power is back up. Yay! I get to go and sleep. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. The creature on the wing is also gone. Phew. Creepy. That is creepy. Especially because I'm the only one here. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. Uh-oh. What's the bad news? Tell me the good news first, though. The good news is the power is back up. Yay! The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen mask will drop over your seats. Take one quick. Yes! I need one. I need one. Oh no. Take one. Take it. Okay, got it. That's not even over my mouth. My mouth is still open. Eyes in my mouth, so it's still open. This mask will keep you safe until we stabilize the oxygen levels. But my mouth. What happened? What just happened? Oh my goodness. What is that? Why is it red? It looks like a bomb! Oh no! What do I do? What are we going to do? I don't know. That's what I just said. Okay, everyone! Calm down. It's just me. If we find something to show to cut the cables, we might be able to save high-pixel photo. Let's go. What? It's just me. I need big scissors. Are they over here? do anything. Is this it? Anyway, guys, this is it. I'm not playing it again. If I die, oh, then continue. Actually, I'm gonna revive. Extra life, 35. I can buy that. I'm doing it for you guys. Yay. I don't have the bomb. I don't have the bomb anymore. 814? I don't even know what 814 is. Oh, okay. 14. A. Okay. We haven't heard of the crew in a while. We should look for them and check if everything is okay. Yes. Let's go to the front. Let's go to the front. Is the front over here? What's the crew? This is first class, so. Captain. Yes, we should. But Captain is locked. How are we gonna get in? Just wait. Do we just wait? Well, we'll wait. My eyes, are they moving? What eyes moving? I thought I saw my eyes. There, they moved again. When will the captain be open? Let me open. What's happening? The captain should be open. Is there a glitch in the game or something? Or is it back here? I have a feeling it might be back there. I can't find them here. I thought it was the captain. There's a crew. Are they in these? Are they in these? Are they in these? Is it? The captain's dock. I can't open the captain's dock. Right there. Well, I can't find the crew. So I'll just try one more time in my seat. But okay, that's it. This game is glitching. This game is glitching. Something is wrong. Wait, I should be able to open the captain. Okay. That's it, I'm done. If I can't do this, then I don't think I can beat the game. I might do it in I'll try to beat the game in another video if this gets 10 likes. Bye.